I'm here today to give you a daily update on Kadena. As you can see there, very strong chart, really quite strong chart. You can see actually the momentum coming through from the start of August here, considering obviously this downtrend coming through was solely responsible for the crypto crash coming through in May. Obviously, we know that. To be honest, this downtrend actually, it looks really quite healthy compared to a lot of the other charts in that sort of time frame, which really is quite good. It shows a lot of confidence in the coin itself. And from there, we have just seen it's a very attractive uptrend. To be honest, it's one of the most attractive uptrends I've seen in this period across the crypto space. I would say very nice uptrend. You can see consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, uptrend, consolidation, uptrend, consolidation. Granted, a little bit of a dump here. This is obviously due to what's been happening across the board in terms of Bitcoin and stuff like that. But overall, guys, even September, right? Even September, let's jump back to that. Yeah, even September, like we were seeing progression to the upside, not really insane dumps to the downside, right? So yeah, I would say overall, just looking at a charting perspective of this coin, very good indeed. I would say very good for growth. Looking very progressive. I would say research is needed because a chart looking like this, it's actually really quite bloody good. Yeah, very good indeed. I would say bull flag to the upside here has actually broken to the downside here. Obviously, that is responsible for crypto.com, not crypto.com. It's responsible for crypto, obviously the crypto crash coming through there. And I would say we're definitely going to be looking at progression from here. Like we're not going to see an uptrend looking like this in sort of the timeframes that we have seen recently for crypto in general. We're not going to see an uptrend like this come down very strongly, because if it was going to do that, it would have done that when everything else was smashing it down, right? So I would say, and as we have seen here, so I would say there's definite room for growth. This, from what I'm seeing here, guys, is just an accumulation zone. We're probably going to be accumulating here. I've done my research on this coin, but I'm definitely going to, because this chart is actually amazed me. But yeah, in terms of a progression, we move to the upside. If you are looking for just a nice simple trade here, this is something to be looking out for here for the future. This is going to be the measure move up around 31% there, guys. So still very big moves to be coming through from Kadena there. But yeah, overall, fairly bullish chart. I just want to stress that, guys. Definitely worth doing some research on. But yeah, that's definitely something to be looking out for. Let's look at this on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour time frame, sorry, and we do have a bit of a potential double bottom scenario coming through there. And when we do see these double bottoms, guys, we tend to usually see a bounce back coming through. I know that's not the most reliable thing in the world, but it's a really bad drawing, right? But yeah, if we are looking at that coming through like so, it's probably going to be something along the lines of this, right? If that is going to come up, that's going to be perfect for another breakout scenario coming through. Price target around $16.59. Yeah, overall, I think I'm definitely going to be buying a hodl of this, right? I probably would wait until we've got over this upward slope, downward sloping support line. As you can see there, guys, mass levels of support coming through there, as you can see on this zone. Definitely a point to be looking out for. But I would say if we are going to see resistance down to this 10 simple, we're probably going to find it here, because we are still below this. We haven't actually found support on this downward sloping resistance line. So yeah, definitely potential for moves down, but as I said, they're going to be accumulation phases in my opinion there. This is looking very bullish on the longer term time frame. So yeah, this is just responsible for obviously what's happened most recently. So yeah, I do actually see progression to the upside coming through from this. Yeah, overall, I would say bullish for KDA. Accumulation phase is in action. But yeah, that's going to be your daily update today on KDA.